Are you a trucking company or a dispatching service using DAT, Truckstop, or TruckSmart load boards? Tired of manually searching for loads, sending endless emails to brokers, checking brokers' factoring scores, or copying Google Maps routes? We've got the solution to automate your manual labor. Meet the LockTheLoad Chrome extension, your automated loads booking solution. Imagine sending pre-written emails with just one click, or even auto-email the brokers as soon as the load becomes available. Tired of seeing the same loads over and over on the load boards? LockTheLoad will hide the duplicated loads, making finding the best matching load easy. Are you manually calculating the actual profit of the load? Our built-in profit calculator will break the total payout to the per-mile rate, add the fuel cost, and subtract the tolls and deadhead miles. To help you see the route ahead, every posted load has a built-in Google Maps feature. Choose the best routes with ease. Efficiency is literally at your fingertips. The extension has many more features to streamline your workflow. And guess what? LockTheLoad is free to try. No credit card is required. LockTheLoad is easy to start. Go to Chrome Web Store, type LockTheLoad, and add to Chrome.
LockTheLoad is a lifesaver, like an extra pair of hands.
The time I've saved is incredible. LockTheLoad isn't just a tool, it's my business's lifeline.
Get help with LockTheLoad and automate your load boards. Type LockTheLoad in the Chrome Web Store and boost your trucking business.